It is intended to drive a stage which permits individuals to fabricate their own blockchains. However, what is ARK? We should find out what we can learn about ARK, and furthermore analyze a portion of the ARK cost expectations that were being made starting around the 14th of December 2022. ARK made sense of. As far as the universe of cryptographic money, the absolute most significant mechanical improvement is that of the blockchain. All things considered, in the event that it were not for the decentralized record where each exchange and change is kept with practically no general expert in charge, it is exceptionally impossible that we wouldn't have any cryptos whatsoever. Indeed, perhaps we would have swell, yet essentially every other digital money, whether it is a coin or a token, wouldn't exist without the blockchain being there to help it. With the development in blockchain innovation and cryptographic money, it is actually quite significant that most cryptos are tokens as opposed to coins, albeit many individuals could well utilize the two ideas reciprocally. In doing so, they sell out their obliviousness. The way things are, all crypto coins are tokens, yet not all crypto tokens are coins. What is the contrast between the two? Indeed, to lay it out plainly, a token depends on a blockchain that isn't its own, while a coin depends all alone blockchain. It follows, consequently, that while making a crypto token is similarly direct, making a coin of your own personal is undeniably more convoluted on the grounds that you should make your own blockchain. Doing that will, from a certain perspective, require a great deal of innovative skill, time, persistence, and even cash. One stage intending to make things simpler, faster, and possibly less expensive is ARK. This is a blockchain intended to simplify it to make another blockchain. The thought here is to utilize the programming dialects JavaScript and TypeScript, both genuinely normal in PC programming, to help make a blockchain that ought to fill in as its manufacturer means. As the stage's white paper says, ARK goes about as a signal for people, gatherings, and endeavors looking to apply blockchain innovation to both arrive at their singular objectives and influence change in their nearby local area. ARK's remarkably basic innovation stack permits nearly anybody to make and convey independent blockchains for any utilization case. Each blockchain needs its own local cache, and ARK, which was established in 2016 by crypto business visionaries Travis Walker and Matthew Cox, has its eponymous coin. This crypto is utilized to assign who add blocks to the ARK blockchain. Furthermore, it tends to be purchased, sold, and exchanged on trades. ARK cost history. We should now project our eyes over the ARK cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, understanding what the coin has done in the past can assist with giving us some extremely helpful setting to either make an ARK value forecast of our own or probably decipher one that is now out there. At the point when ARK previously went onto the open market in the spring of 2017, it opened at 3 cents on 22 walk that year. In truth, it did nothing excessively energizing for the rest of the year, when the crypto market encountered a huge air pocket, and by the 9th of January 2018, it had taken off to what actually fills in as an unsurpassed high of $10.91. From that point onward, the air pocket burst, and ARK, as basically the remainder of the crypto market, encountered a crypto winter, falling beneath $1 in August and remaining underneath the dollar level for the following more than 2 years or somewhere in the vicinity. Things began to change in mid-2021 as the crypto market encountered an imminent blast. While ARK couldn't return to any place like where it had been in mid-2018, it actually performed pretty well, breaking over the dollar hindrance in February 2021 and arriving at an occasional high of $3.98 on 30 walk. The coin then, at that point, went down and dipped under the dollar all through the late spring. However, there was a little resurgence in August, and following a few pinnacles and bucks, it shut the year at $1.16. In the event that 2021 was a blowout for crypto, 2022 has definitely been a starvation, and ARK has not gotten away from the slump. It arrived at a high of $1.45 on the 3rd of January. However, at that point went down to 71 cents on the 24th of February directly following Russia's intrusion of Ukraine. There was a recuperation the next month to $1.67 on 28 walk. However, at that point things got genuinely horrendous. A progression of market declines saw it break down to 34 cents on the 15th of June, and in spite of the fact that there was a recuperation to 55 cents on the 15th of August, it dropped down once more. Things deteriorated in November with the breakdown of the FTX digital money trade prompted it tumbling to a low of 22 cents on the 14th of November. There was a sluggish, fairly insecure recuperation after this, and on the 14th of December 2022 it was exchanging at 31 cents. At the hour of composing, there are 143,121,482 ARK available for use out of an all-out supply of 169,621,865. This gave the coin a market cap of about $45 m, making it the 369th biggest crypto by that measurement. ARK cost forecast gathered together. We should now investigate a portion of the ARK cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 14th of December 2022. It is essential to recollect that cost gauges, particularly when they concern a product as possibly unstable as possible crypto, can turn out to be in many cases wrong. Likewise, it merits bringing up that some long-haul crypto value expectations are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change immediately. To start with, offered a hopeful but still sober-minded, in the event that to some degree blended, transient ARK coin cost forecast. At the hour of composing, the site proposed the crypto could move to around 37 cents by the 19th of December prior to descending to 36 cents by the 13th of January 2023. Disregarding that, however, the site's specialized investigation was negative, with 29 pointers conveying downbeat signals against only 2 making bullish ones. Then, was more peppy in its ARK crypto cost forecast. The site assessed the coin could reach $1.83 in 2023 and somewhat under $3.26 in 2024. It proceeded to make an ARK cost expectation for 2025 that demonstrated the coin could reach $5.27 and move to $8.53 the next year. How much confidence you give this specific gauge will rely upon whether, having completed your own examination, you feel that ARK can ascend by around 500% throughout the span of the following a year and its cost can develop by some place in the locale of 2,500% in 4 years. Framed ARK could close 2022 at 38 cents prior to coming to 77 cents in 2023 and getting through the dollar obstruction to $1.12 the year after that. By 2025, the site said ARK could be valued at $1.36 that year and the year later, then, at that point, $1.66 in 2027 and $2.35 in 2028 and could close the 10 years at $3.20. The site then made an ARK cost expectation for 2030 that said it could accomplish $4.52 that year and $6.01 in 2031. At last, was undeniably more negative when it came to making an ARK cost expectation for 2023. The site proposed that there could be an exceptionally intense year ahead for the coin and that it could drop to a simple 4 cents by the center of December 1 year from now. While considering an ARK coin cost expectation, it's essential to remember that digital currency markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. In that capacity, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectation. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into cryptographic money coins and tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own exploration. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and central investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any venture choice. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns. What's more, never exchange with cash that you can't bear to lose. It is hard to say since much will rely heavily on how the market proceeds in general going ahead. Keep in mind, you ought to continuously complete your own careful exploration prior to settling on a venture choice, viewing any coin or token regarding whether they are ideal for yourself as well as your portfolio. Indeed, even high market cap